मैं फौजिया खानजाई, सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.2, चैप्टर नंबर 1, नंबर सिस्टम, क्लास 9 जनरल. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कन्वर्ट इनटू बेस 2 सिस्टम. फर्स्ट पार्ट 5. 5 convert into base 2 system. So we use only table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3s are 6. 6 is a bigger number. Compare as 5. So 5 2s are 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4, 1 is left. 2 ones are 2, 0 is left. Therefore 5 equal to 101. 101 base 2. Okay, finish first part. Second part 17. 17 convert into base 2 system. Same method. 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18. So 18 is a bigger number. 2 8s are 16, 1 is left. 2 4s are 8, 0 is left. 2 2s are 4, 0 is left. 2 1s are 2, 0 is left. So in base 2 system, 17 is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 would be the answer. Seventeen equal to 1 0 0 0 1. Okay, 1 0 0 0 1 base 2 would be the answer. Base 2 is necessary. So after solution, put the base. Finish second part. Third part 32. Okay, we done first, second part. Third part is 32 convert into base 2 system. So we use table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. 2 6s are 12, 0 is left. Simple. 2 8s are 16, 0 is left. 2 4s are 8, 0 is left. 2 2s are 4, 0 is left. Again we use table of 2. 2 1s are 2, 0 is left. 1 0 0 0 0 0 answer. Therefore 32 is equal to 1 0 0 0 0 0. Just you count it 1 2 3 4 5 times 0. 1 2 3 4 5 times 0. Okay, so 1 0 0 0 0 0 base 2 would be the answer. Fourth part, 63. 63 convert into base 2 system. 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. Okay, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. 2 5s are 10, 1 is left. 2 7s are 14, 1 is left. 2 3s are 6, 1 is left. 2 1s are 2, 1 is left. 1 1 1 1 1 1. One, 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 one. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 1 in base 2 system. 6. Therefore, 63 is equal to 1 1 1 1. Just to count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 1 base 2 would be the answer of part 4. The last part is left. Fifth one, 81. Last part, 81. Same method. 2 4s are 8. It means 2 40s are 80. Okay. 2 40s are 80. 81 minus 80, 1 is left. 2 2s are 4. 0 as it is copy down. Or it means 2 20s are 40. 0 is left. 2 10s are 20. 0 is left. 2 5s are 10. 0 is left. 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. 2 1s are 2. 0 is left. 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 would be the answer of 81. Equal to 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 base 2. Okay, put base, it's necessary. Finish all 5 parts. Question number 1, exercise 1.2.